Welcome back to the channel, and a massive thanks to all the new subscribers that have subscribed to the channel, and a huge thank you to all those who've stuck with us since day one. In this video we're going to show you how to clean out your freshwater tanks and the waste tanks on the van. Now for us it's been a little while since we've done it, and we thought we'd make a quick video to show you how. Okay, so this is the product we use to clean the tanks out. This is not sponsored by these people. This has not been sent to us for free. This has been paid for out of our own money, and we highly recommend this product. Our drains are starting to smell a bit, and once we've done what we need to do with this, they'll be nice and fresh and clean. So it's PuraClean. The full instructions for this are on the back of the tub, and basically what we need to do here is dilute 1 teaspoon for every 4.5 litres of water. Now this van has got a 130 litre tank, so we're going to have to put enough teaspoons of this into a jug, then pour it into the tanks, and then we'll show you what we do next in order to flush everything out and sort out those drains.
This stuff is quite strong, so we recommend that you do this in a well ventilated area.
Yeah, it does. It's got quite a smell to it, to be honest with you, but it works out for a 130 litre tank, which this van has. We're going to need 29 teaspoons mixed into a jug. There we have our 29 scoops of PuraClean into a plastic jug, which probably works out about half of this container. This is 400 grams. We've used this once. This is our second time using it. So with a motorhome with a 130 litre tank, you should be able to do this twice. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add water. We're going to fill this jug up, and we're going to give this a real good mix. Then we're going to add this to the freshwater tank on the van.
Just for people who might not know, babe, are we putting this in on a full tank or an empty tank, or what do we do?
Right, what we're going to do here is give this a mix up, and when the tank's either really low or empty, we're going to pour this in, and then what we're going to do then is we're going to fill the tank up to the top, and that'll give it a right good mix inside the fresh tank.
Yeah, so it'll like agitate it then.
Yeah.
Agitate it. That's what I do to Mark quite a lot.
All the time.
Here's a funnel I made earlier.
Yeah, I'm sure you could probably do something better than that, but it's the only thing we can find. So there's our solution, all in there, and we're now going to add it into the fresh tank. Now the solution's in the fresh tank, next thing we're going to do is fill the van full of fresh water. We managed to pick up one of these off Teamy for a couple of quid that just goes onto the end of your hose. It goes straight into the filler neck like so. Make life a bit easier on filling the van. Let's get this full of water, and then we'll show you the next step.
So we filled the tank full of water. We've had the van round the block. We took it round the block, didn't we? Just to basically to scoosh round the water and make sure it's all cleaned in the tank. What we're going to do now is we're going to just run it through the taps a little bit, through the hot and cold. So turn it to hot, and then cold. Again, run it through. We're going to repeat the process, but we're not going to run it through our pure water tap. Obvious reasons for this. We don't want it going through into the charcoal. That charcoal already cleans the water, so we're not going to do that. Do the same process with the bathroom taps and the shower. Again, I'm running the hot through on the bathroom taps. It doesn't have to be hot, it's just to clear the boiler out. And then we'll do the same on the cold. Switch it to cold, through again. We're going to do the shower, but you don't need to watch us do that. We'll do the same with the shower, cold, hot, and then that should be done.
So once we've run it through and we've got it through to the point of the taps where you can smell it coming through, I recommend you leave it between 1 and 12 hours. Now the reason for that is it depends on how bad it is. If you know your tanks are pretty bad, they haven't been cleaned for a long time, leave them for the full 12 hours. If you're someone that does it quite often, just leave it for an hour and then we'll flush it through.
So we've had the water in the fresh tank and the lines for over an hour. And now we're going to basically flush it through, close the waste tank so that it sits in the waste tank, and we're going to leave that for a few hours. That helps clean out your smells in your waste tank, and then we're going to let it go and flush it through again. Aren't we?
We are.
So now I'm going to empty the fresh tanks. Bit of a noise from the pump. Again, when you're running your water out into your waste tank, make sure you do it through your hot for about 10 minutes and then your cold. So you're flushing out both lines. Same again with the bathroom, do it on hot and cold. And don't forget your shower. So that's us done. We have emptied the tank, refilled the tank, flushed it through again. Probably do it 2-3 times till you're comfortable. That's what we normally do. That's it. The pipes are clean. It's all smelling nice now. If you thought this video was useful, if you liked the video, please consider a thumbs up and a subscribe. We'll catch you later. Bye for now.